morning. So, when you upload your piece of work, you need to go into, not Spotify, but you need to go into the Moodle, on the school Moodle. It's the only Moodle you want to go onto, isn't it? You probably won't go onto another school's Moodle. I probably didn't need to say that. Make sure you're logged in, go into students, go into curriculum, MFL, then you need to go into French, GCSE French, Unit 1, and down at the bottom there should be an upload point here for all of Year 9, so that's for you. Now, what you will see when you go in there is different to what I can see when I'm looking at this. So it's one of those strange things. If a teacher shows you something on Moodle, we can't show you what you will see because we've got different login. There are ways you can do it, but it's beyond me. Maybe it's probably not beyond you, right? But you will see a bit, and it will say record it online or upload your own file. Now, if you want to try to record it online, you can do it either on your laptops or you can use these little mini microphones here, which you just take out of the box and you plug that little bit into your microphone socket, which is on the side of your laptops if you want to, or you can use one of these microphones, but this is the only one I've got, so nobody can use that one. This is a USB microphone which picks up sound a little bit better than those little ones there, but your laptops are perfectly capable, if they've got microphones attached to them, of doing this. And the easiest way to do it, or the most reliable way that I've found, is if you go into your start menu there and just type in record, like so, you'll get a sound recorder come up, and if you click into that, hopefully in no time at all you'll get a little very, very tiny box that comes up like that, and if I start recording like this, then that's going to be recording my voice. It will be recording it because I've got this attached to it, etc., etc. So you record your piece of speaking with only your cue cards, and once you've finished it, you press stop, and it comes up there, and it will save it as a WMA file, which is perfectly uploadable to Moodle on the right hand side of the options that are there. So what I'm expecting to see is you doing that. Is that clear? Any questions about how you record your voice and how you upload it? Right, this is the simplest way to do it because it's a WMA file, which is nice and easy. If you use Audacity, does anybody use Audacity? Yeah. You've also, after you've done it, it doesn't save it as any of those sorts of things. I think you can save it as something, as a WAV file, that's right. But if you want to save it as an MP3 file, you've got to download some kind of decoder, right? This is a French lesson, right? So we're not going to be downloading decoders in French lessons. So I would suggest that you use a sound recorder, okay? So